Hey lads, TechScanning here. So just like Samsung, Honor is also getting ready for the launch of its next generation of foldable phone, the Honor Magic V2. They had already confirmed the device will unveil on the 12th of July and even shared a teaser suggesting the Magic V2 could be the slimmest foldable phone on the market. Also, as per the company, it will be lighter than the 240 grams of iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is impressive considering the bigger size of the Magic V2. And now, ahead of its launch date, we finally got the live hands-on images of the Honor Magic V2 showcasing the device in black and blue color. So, as we can see, its cover display features quite slim bezels with a punch hole cutout for the selfie cam. And unlike the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series, the cover display on the Magic V2 is wider, more like the regular phones, which is great. But the more interesting thing here, that the right side of the cover display seems to be curved into the frame. Moving forward, on the back, the device will have a leather-like finish and a prominent camera island which stick out quite a bit, especially when looking from side angles. It sports 3 camera setup, and we already know the main shooter will have a 25mm focal length and a aperture size of f1.9, while the details for the other sensors are still unknown. Some of the images also showed the device will be quite slim as claimed by the company. Unfortunately, the hands-on images didn't show the device in the unfolded state. So yeah, this is Magic V2. Let me know what you think about its design in the comment section below. By the way, the Magic V2 is set to feature a 7.9 inches foldable display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, it is likely to run on a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 chipset. Previously, this overclocked version was exclusive to the Samsung as we seen on the Galaxy S23 series, but it looks like not anymore. If you are curious about the camera results, Honor has recently shared some camera samples which are looking impressive. But I think we should wait for how it will perform in the end consumer's hands. And that's it for now. Let me know what are your thoughts on the Honor Magic V2, and do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.